Malaking inamin netong si Coach Tim sa isang panayam patungkol kay Abarientos sa kabila netong impressive numbers na binitawan ni RJ kontra Converge. Yan na matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating official Facebook page. Kahapon nga mga bulero, paniguradong maraming kabaranggayang natulog ng masaya matapos magawa ng koponan ni Tim na may panalo ang kanilang do-or-die game kalaban ng Converge. Kung saan matapos ang first half, marami nga ang nagakala na magiging dikdikan ng laban para sa magkabilang panig.
We felt like we played a really good first half, and even though we played a great first half, doing the things we wanted to do, they still had a 1-point lead, and that just goes to show how talented they are. They have just such great talent and balance around their lineup, and so many guys who can attack.
Pero dahil nga sa magandang depensa at sa malaking tulong ni Abarientos sa Thompson, nagawa ng barangay na tapusin ang laban na lamang ng 20 puntos.
So really came down to us defensively, how well we played defensively, I thought we turned it up a little bit in the second half, played a little even better defense, but and then it was I want to say it's the RJ show. He had a tremendous second half. But you can't forget Scotty, who ends up having a triple-double as well. So it was really a complete team exercise tonight.
Pero maliban dito, after the ball game, nakumpara pa ni Cone etong si RJ kay Steph Curry.
He's got that capability. We all know that, and we've seen it in the past. He can get going almost Steph Curry-like, where he can just find an area that's open on the floor and throw it up there. It's going to go in, and he came up with it.
Subalit sa kabila niyan, may malaking inamin din itong si Coach Tim patungkol kay RJ sa kabila ng naipakita nito kontra Fiber Xers.
I actually complained to him a little bit in the middle of the second quarter, early in the second quarter. I told him he wasn't looking for a shot enough. He was passing the ball, and I said he needed to look for a shot more. And so he came out second half and looked for it, and it went in. I had the same problem with him oftentimes that I do with his uncle, Johnny, in the past. They want to be point guards. They want to be pure point guards, and both of them were really capable scorers, and they kind of forget that part of the game sometimes. So they need to be reminded.